have another video, and yeah, as you can see, there was a moderator here. Now, I don't know what happened. I just don't want to do with anything Animal Company. I have this much just because of moderator. I am not duping or anything. I have no condone of this to any of my viewers from the Animal Company Discord. Make this video go viral. I'm giving you about, hopefully about just 1,000 views. I'm not asking for any more. You can even make it 999, 999. You can do that at least. That's my friend. Oh my gosh, my goodness, so bad. I need to get away from here.
Sell it!
As you can see, I'm trying to move away from this place.
5 minutes it took me to go from 20.
I literally just joined this. I joined my friend, and what is this?
Almost 67
6
from the
minutes.
area.
No, sleepy time, where you at?
Guys, who did all this?
And
Acrylic, stupid.
Yo, I'm killing myself. I'm going
Who can I add you?
Is that a good
yeah, some guy named Clinics just
I'm
spawned
finna kill this
in,
dude.
if I wanted money.
Because you can't have that.
We
Because
got
I'm about to sell that. You should not have that.
Oh my god.
Yo, I'm gonna, can I add you? Was it you?
Yeah.
Was it the wood?
Can I add you?
Who did all this? Who did all this? He left the game. He left the lobby. He left the lobby.
It was me who did all this. It was me. It was me.
Remy! I'm losing money! Remy,
That's not possible.
It's Remy.
Don't sell until the entire sale.
It's Remy?
We're gonna lose money if the sell machine isn't on.
Aiden,
You're gonna lose money.
Why did you say
Why
is there so many
What the fuck happened to my fucking money, bitch? I give me my
Oh my god.
Wow, dude. Chill out.
Give me my money! Oh my god!
Don't sell
Your fucking money!
Remy, can I add you on class? No, guys, we're losing.
He's
Unless it's
He's
you.
not fucking critics!
I'm getting that money.
That's not how that works. Listen, guys, are you stupid?
Yes.
I've literally been in 1,000 modded lobbies. That's how it works.
Exactly, bro.
Well, actually, I'm getting money.
Then why am I getting money?
Thank you.
Exactly.
I would give you the cheese.
I want more money. Give me more money.
No, Remy, you get
No,
your money.
whoever gets me the most money gets $1 million. I'm just kidding.
No, I
Mr. Beast giveaway. Mr. Beast giveaway. Mr. Beast giveaway.
I'm losing money! Money!
I'm trying to get.
I'm losing money every time it's not full.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call Monkey Monkey. How about that?
That's kind of ugly.
I'm trying to get famous on the Discord server so I can talk to Monkey Monkey and Cody. Shout out to them, by the way.
Bro, because he's not over.
Yo. Who said that? Yo, I'm sorry, chat. We're gonna have to do it. I am definitely not leaving this code.
I mean, I can hook you up $1 million. I'll give you $30 million right now, bro.
I have
Remy.
70.
Alright,
I keep
wants to
saying
hook me up? Who wants to hook me up,
I'm trying
20?
to run away.
Who wants to hook me up?
But it gets worse every time. Trying to run away. I need to go to Chicken Cave. Yeah, I'm going to Chicken Cave, bro. Going to Chicken Cave.
Wait, how much money can I get? wants me to join? Who want me to join?
Yo!